Giraffes are truly one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. With their towering height, unique spots, and graceful necks, these gentle giants have captivated our imaginations for centuries. But did you know that there's much more to giraffes than meets the eye? From their extraordinary ability to run at surprising speeds to their social behavior, giraffes are full of incredible secrets. In today's video, we'll dive into mind-blowing facts about giraffes that will leave you in awe of these majestic animals. So, let's get started and explore the world of giraffes like never before. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Some males can reach heights of up to 18 feet. Despite their towering stature, giraffes have only 7 cervical neck vertebrae, just like most mammals. Each giraffe's coat pattern is unique, much like human fingerprints. Their long, prehensile tongues, up to 20 inches long, are perfectly adapted for plucking leaves from thorny acacia trees. The tongue's dark coloration may help protect it from sunburn. Giraffes have an enormous heart, weighing up to 11 kilograms, to pump blood all the way up their long necks. To counteract the high blood pressure needed for brain perfusion, giraffes possess specialized valves in their neck arteries. They have a 4-chambered stomach, similar to ruminants, which helps them digest tough, fibrous leaves. Giraffes can go for days without drinking, sourcing moisture from their leafy meals. Their legs are powerful. Each kick can be strong enough to deter a lion. Giraffes sleep on average only 4.6 hours per day, and often in short, fragmented naps. When sleeping, they sometimes sleep standing up, though they occasionally lie down. A group of giraffes is known as a tower, a nod to their towering appearance. Giraffes communicate using subtle, infrasonic sounds that fall below the human hearing range. They also produce soft hums and low-frequency moans during the night. Necking is a form of combat among males, where they swing their necks at one another to establish dominance. Giraffe calves are born after a gestation period of about 15 months, and they drop nearly 6 feet at birth to help stimulate breathing. The pattern on a giraffe's coat may change slightly as it ages. Their spots might play a role in regulating body temperature by influencing airflow over the skin. Giraffes have evolved a unique circulatory system that prevents blood from surging to the head when they bend down to drink. Their large, expressive eyes are set wide apart, giving them an excellent panoramic view. A third eyelid helps protect their eyes from dust and debris. Their ears are finely tuned to pick up even the faintest sounds across the savanna. Giraffes' long necks give them a strategic advantage in spotting predators from a distance. Despite their size, giraffes can run in short bursts at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Their gait is unique. They move both legs on one side of their body in unison. Giraffes exhibit a mysterious, almost meditative grace as they roam the plains. Their seemingly awkward movements hide an incredibly efficient musculoskeletal design. The ossicones, horn-like structures, atop their heads are made of ossified cartilage and covered in skin. Male giraffes often develop thicker ossicones than females. These ossicones may serve as a form of protection during physical contests. Giraffes use a combination of visual cues and body language to communicate with one another. They display gentle nuzzling as a form of greeting among herd members. Although generally quiet, giraffes sometimes produce snorts and grunts during feeding. Their large bodies hide a network of lean, specialized muscles that support their towering frames. The structure of a giraffe's neck has puzzled scientists for decades. Some researchers believe that their elongated necks evolved primarily for feeding competition. Others propose that sexual selection, necking, played a significant role in their evolution. Giraffes have a mysterious knack for choosing specific tree species, showing distinct feeding preferences. Their feeding habits change seasonally, adapting to the available vegetation. Giraffe calves are incredibly agile. They can stand and run within hours of birth. The drop at birth not only stimulates breathing but may also help break the amniotic sac. Giraffes possess a unique immune system that protects them from many diseases common in other mammals. Their blood has special properties that help it withstand extreme pressure. Giraffes are known to adapt their behavior based on subtle changes in their environment. They have been observed to adjust their feeding heights according to the season. Their long eyelashes protect their eyes from the intense African sun and dust. Giraffes' vocalizations are so low in frequency that they often go unnoticed by human ears. The mystery of their nearly silent existence has spurred several local legends. Despite their imposing appearance, giraffes are gentle creatures that rarely display aggression outside of mating contests. They often wander alone in quiet contemplation, which has given rise to poetic interpretations of their behavior. The intricate design of their vertebrae is often compared to a natural work of art. Giraffes have been the subject of myths and folklore in various African cultures for centuries. Their silhouette against the sunset is often seen as a symbol of grace and mystery. Researchers have discovered that giraffes can sense changes in weather and may even predict seasonal shifts. Their internal GPS seems finely tuned to navigate the vast savanna. Some scientists suggest that giraffes have an innate sense of timing, regulating their activities with precision. Their movements have an almost rhythmic dance-like quality. Giraffes' large, expressive eyes have been described as conveying ancient wisdom. Their subtle, almost imperceptible communication methods add to their enigmatic allure. Giraffes' coat patterns might serve a dual purpose, both for camouflage and for social signaling. In some cultures, the giraffe is revered as a mystical animal that bridges the earth and the sky. Their powerful leg muscles allow them to move silently despite their size. The design of their circulatory system is considered one of nature's engineering marvels. Their neck muscles are not only strong but also incredibly flexible. Giraffes use their long legs to deliver a decisive, graceful kick when threatened. Their heavy hearts pump blood with a force that would be dangerous for other animals. Giraffes have a subtle method of vocal mimicry that can sometimes imitate the calls of other herd members. Their peaceful, slow-moving presence contrasts sharply with the explosive power of their kick. Despite a lifetime on the savanna, giraffes maintain a sense of wonder and mystery. Their body design allows them to exploit a niche that few other animals can: the treetops. Giraffes can be surprisingly stealthy, moving through the brush with minimal noise. Their seemingly random patterns have inspired artistic interpretations in many cultures. The way light plays off their patterned coats creates an ever-changing mosaic. Some researchers believe that these spot patterns might help in regulating body temperature. Giraffes' massive hearts generate blood pressure that is among the highest in the animal kingdom. Their cardiovascular system includes specialized adaptations to prevent brain damage when bending down. Even with a high metabolic demand, giraffes rarely overheat due to their unique cooling adaptations. Giraffes have been spotted engaging in playful behavior, including mock fighting and gentle sparring. Their solitary wanderings at dawn add an air of mystery to their already enigmatic reputation. Giraffe mothers exhibit a fierce, almost mystical protectiveness over their calves. The evolutionary mystery of the giraffe's neck continues to be a subject of scientific debate. Some believe that the giraffe's unusual features are nature's answer to an age-old riddle. Giraffes' long, graceful strides have been compared to the flow of a calm river. Their seemingly random social structure is, in fact, highly nuanced and context-dependent. Researchers continue to study how giraffes' body systems work so harmoniously at such an extreme scale. The mystery of how giraffes maintain balance with such a high center of gravity fascinates biomechanists. Their unique appearance has led some to believe that giraffes possess a kind of ancient, hidden wisdom. Giraffes have a natural ability to blend into the dappled light of the savanna. Their towering height provides them with an unrivaled view of the surrounding landscape. Giraffes' selective feeding has been observed to help shape the local vegetation patterns. The soft, almost hypnotic movement of a giraffe's neck has inspired countless stories and myths. Their unique bone structure is not only functional, but has inspired comparative studies in evolutionary biology. Giraffes are known to use their posture and body language to subtly signal their mood. Their seemingly solitary behavior is punctuated by complex social interactions that scientists are still deciphering. Giraffes are excellent at detecting even the slightest movements in their environment. The interplay of light and shadow on a giraffe's coat creates an ever-changing canvas that has mystified observers. Their large body mass is supported by surprisingly agile and responsive limbs. Every aspect of the giraffe, from its heart to its hooves, has evolved to meet the challenges of a harsh environment. Ultimately, the giraffe's mysterious nature and unique adaptations continue to captivate scientists, artists, and nature enthusiasts alike. We hope you enjoyed these amazing and surprising animal facts. The animal kingdom is full of wonders, and there's always more to discover. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Stay tuned for more incredible facts. See you in the next video.